For privacy concern, you can lock your screen whenever you are going away from your PC. Let's see how to do it on Windows 10. To lock your screen using keyboard shortcut, press Windows plus L. Let's see other way to lock PC screen. Click on Windows Start button. Click on the user account name, present at top left of the Start menu. Click on Lock option. Now, your screen is locked. To check out more tech videos, click here. To subscribe GuruAid channel, click here. For instant tech support, call GuruAid toll-free numbers